Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make okra no karaage. It's another very simple vegetable dish using okra. Perfect for snack or side. Super simple and easy to make, so I hope you like it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this okra no karaage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 10 to 15 okra, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and mirin, half a teaspoon each of grated garlic and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch. Let's cut okra. Cut the top off and shave off this part around the neck. It's tough and chewy. Cut the top off and peel. Once it's done, let's cut each okra into 3 diagonally. If your okra is too small, you can make it into 2. Put them all in a bowl. Let's add these seasonings: soy sauce, mirin, the soup stock, and the garlic. Give it a good mix. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Okra has been left for 5 minutes. While you heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan, it's about half an inch from the bottom of the frying pan. Let's add starch into the bowl of okra and mix well. Once it's all well mixed, let's fry them. The heat is medium to medium high, and you just need to fry them for 1 minute or so. Very quick. Let's take them out and drain. All fried and it's done. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so light and crispy. The seasoning made it very flavorful and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okra no karaage is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade, for the other side. Let's have dry curry here, which will also cover the main. Your favorite soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.